Okay, in this slides, I'm going to start reading from chapter number 1, Network and Communication. Types of computer networks. Networks are commonly classified into three types according to the geographical areas. These classifications are LAN, MAN, WAN. First, local area network LAN. A local area network is computer network if it is contained within close or small areas such as homes, schools, small office buildings, or small laboratories, etc. LANs are inexpensive to install. The most common type of transmission media used with LANs are twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optics cables. Today, wireless LAN is also becoming very popular. Network adapter and hub are commonly used devices to build a LAN. A LAN is useful for sharing information and resources like files, gaps, printers, scanners, etc. User can also use LAN to communicate with each other by sending email or chatting. A LAN is may may connect to other LANs and to the internet or WAN. You can see LAN. LAN, since distances are limited, therefore data can be transmitted at a very fast rate. There is also a limited number of computers that can be attached to a single LAN. Metropolitan Area Network MAN. Metropolitan Area Network is computer network that usually covers a city or a large computers. It covers a large geographical area than LAN, ranging from several blocks of buildings to entire city. MANs are larger than LANs but smaller than WAN. Many MANs may be as large the size of city and in some cases it may be small as a group of buildings. MAN is difficult to install. It requires fast networking components and additional communication equipments in order to achieve better speed. In MAN, fiber optics are preferred for high speed communication. Third, Wide Area Network WAN. WAN stands for Wide Area Network. It is a network that covers broad areas such as different provinces, countries, and continents. Normally, WAN consists of two or more interconnected LANs or MANs. Large business and government departments are the users of WANs. WAN is expensive than LAN. Computer connected to provide a network often connected through public network using DSL or telephone lines. WAN can also be connected through satellite. The world most popular WAN is Internet. PIR ticketing system and different branches of bank connected through the country are the example of WAN. Okay, explanation will be given in next slides.